Namaste everyone. One of the simplest way of doing a little bit of volunteer work in your neighborhood is like in the springtime cleaning all the debris like this that collected over the winter. And then this is such a good, it's all gonna go in our water and everything down there, so I'm doing my portion. I'm doing all around my house. I've been doing for almost half hour this morning. I'm gonna do another half hour later this afternoon. It's a beautiful day. This is the one of the way to do the and you know what happened here? Look at I broke the whole thing here. I need to buy a new one. But all you do is get your tool, whatever you prefer, and this is such a good fertilizer for your garden too. It's collecting all the dirt. My husband used to do this, like, by the way, all around our neighborhood, even in Nepal, like I would say 35 years ago. So I have just started doing this for a couple of years now. This is something, the simplest way to do a little volunteer work in your neighborhood. Thank you for watching my video.